Hello everyone. Today, I will share an installation tutorial for KK135. The package contains the dual tower body, Intel back buckle, accessory box, 12 cm fan, 9 cm fan buckle and 12 cm fan buckle, manual paper. The accessory contains yellow spare foot pads, silicone grease, Intel bracket, AMD bracket, AMD long screws, AMD spacer columns, Intel LGA17XX and LGA115X spacer columns, Intel short screws. The first demonstration is the installation of AMD platform. First, unscrew these 4 screws. Remove the original bracket. Use the AMD spacer columns. Pay attention to the orientation of the bracket. Fix with AMD long screws. Remove this protective film before installing the tower body. Install the tower body after applying silicone grease. Screws should be tightened alternately. The next demonstration is the installation of Intel platform. The first thing to note is the Intel back buckle. All Intel specifications after the 12th generation are LGA17X. So we need to move this buckle to the 17X position. Insert from the back of the motherboard. We need to use 17XX spacer columns here. The black side of the spacer column faces the motherboard. Install Intel bracket. Note that the arrow direction should face the CPU. Fix with Intel short screws. When installing the tower body, screws should be tightened alternately. Next, install the tower fan. First, install the buckle onto the fan. Insert the fan into the tower body. Buckle the buckle backwards. If the ram height does not exceed 45 mm, an additional 9 cm fan can be added. Finally, remember to plug in the fan 4-pin cable.